Uh, Hello, this is Dr. Sima again. Today I would like to talk about and teach you about the relationship between the function of autophagy of our cells and its relationship to the aging of the brain. As we get older, we start thinking more about our quality of life. Even though people are living longer in the United States, it doesn't necessarily mean that we'll all have long lives with good quality. A big question on our minds is how well our brains will work as we age. Let's break down some key points about our brain health. First off, our brain cells, they're called neurons. They do not divide like other cells. This means they can't naturally get rid of their faulty parts through cell division, making them more prone to damage, to cell damage. Adding to this, the process of autophagy, which helps clean up the brain, slows down as we age, making our nervous system more vulnerable. Alzheimer's disease is the most common aging brain disease in the United States. Studies show that the brain cells involved in Alzheimer's have low or not enough autophagy activity. This lack of cleanup leads to the buildup of amyloid beta and tau proteins, which are signs of Alzheimer's disease. Identifying the autophagy genes has been crucial in understanding the early stages of this disease. Next up is Parkinson's disease, the second most common age-related brain condition. In Parkinson's, the neurons in the brain that produce dopamine gradually die. Problem with autophagy, when the brain cells can't clean up properly, have been found to play a big role in starting and worsening Parkinson's. When scientists looked at the brains of people who passed away from Parkinson's, they found a buildup of material that hinted at impaired autophagy. So, why should we care about autophagy? Well, it's our cleanup crew for our most important cells of our body, brain cells. It helps us to get rid of things that shouldn't be there. It's an essential process to keep our brain healthy as we age. I also want to share with you the part of the comprehensive genetic testing that looks at the autophagy genes. So for this, I have to share the screen. If you just be patient with me. So because we talk about the genetic, so I wanted to have some idea about how it would look on the test. Okay, right here. So this is the part of the comprehensive genetic testing that I do. And this is the part that has to do with the autophagy genes. Or if you listen to my previous videos, these are the knobs on the washing machine. It starts with ATG, and then the red means that this gene is completely mutated and not functional. And the yellow means that this gene is half mutated or half functional. And if it were to be green, it means that that person had healthy autophagy genes or healthy knobs on the washing machine. And this is actually a real patient, and this patient had a strong family history of breast cancer from mother's side, and also some brain issues like Alzheimer's and dementia from her father's side. And she was BRCA gene negative, and she wanted to know what she can do to be proactive. And I had to dig deeper to see what other weaknesses genetically related she has, and that is her report. So this is how the report for autophagy would look like. And having said that, always remember one thing, that know your genes and control your health. Thank you.